Agriculture plays an integral role in the economy of any country, providing people and the global market with diverse and high-quality agricultural products. One of the most important and exciting moments in agricultural activities is the harvest. This impressive art embodies the efforts of farmers, advanced technologies, and an indescribable connection with nature. The largest harvests annually gather more than 25 million boxes of fruit. Harvesting is not just physical labor, but a true symphony of time and nature. From the start of the spring planting season to late autumn, farmers await the true miracle, the ripening of crops. In the countryside, there is a real transformation of landscapes. Green fields turn into golden waves of wheat, barley, and corn, and orchards fill with bright spots of ripe fruit. The harvest season lasts from mid-October to early July. For individual orange pickers, the season usually begins in November, reaches peak intensity in January, February, and March, with another peak in May for the late Valencia orange varieties. Grapefruit harvesting starts earlier, in October, and peaks in March and April. Modern technologies play a crucial role in the harvesting process. From autonomous tractors to unmanned drones, innovations make agricultural operations more efficient and precise. Technological solutions such as GPS systems and sensors determine the optimal time for harvesting, while smart management systems help coordinate the work of machines and people in the field. This is also a time when farmers actively care for soil fertility. They employ modern methods of treatment, crop rotation, and the use of organic fertilizers to ensure the long-term sustainability of land resources. This approach not only contributes to high yields in the current season, but also preserves the soil for future generations. Harvesting has deep sociocultural roots in our society. Many farming families pass down their knowledge and experience in agriculture from generation to generation. Harvest festivals and rural fairs have become an important part of local culture, allowing city residents to enjoy the atmosphere of rural life and understand the hardships and joys of farming. Agriculture is an economically vital process and a true art, uniting farmers, technology, and nature in a single harmonious rhythm. This process allows us to enjoy fresh products on our tables and feel the connection between man and the earth. Harvesting is a celebration of nature and labor that will forever remain in the hearts and minds of all who invest their efforts and passion into it. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.